Hey feds, this next one is not so much a question, but a statement that someone made that I want to make sure that we cover because it's important and most people feel this way. This person said, it's hard to look at your TSP account losing thousands of dollars when you're close to retirement. You are spot on. It is. It's hard to look at your TSP account losing money at all, period, but especially when you get closer to retirement. So what do? How can you make it so that when you look at your TSP, you're feeling really good about it? Well, it's not to play Chicken Little and worry that, oh, everything is gonna, the sky is falling, or to hide in a cave and never look at your TSP. I want you, my goal for you, I'm gonna put a goal on you. Can I even do that? No, but I'm going to. My goal for you is to be able to look at your TSP every month and feel great about it, even if you lose some money. Possible? Absolutely. As long as you know where you're going with it, and as long as you know that you know what you're doing with it, you can feel great about your TSP, even when it isn't the best, even when the economy is down and your TSP isn't doing the best. I want you to be that confident, that excited about your TSP, and you should be. And if you're not, you need to come to one of our workshops to learn how to be, because we cover exactly that. How can you love your TSP? Come to our workshops and find out.